trying to put my people, our people, in a position to where we can get financial freedom. And I'm trying to prove to people that it don't take a lot of money. I always got a couple rules. One, do your research into the company. Two, buy low. Three, sell high. I got the kid in investing. I had my first kid at 18. Started a mutual fund from him. And then once I did that, I always had that in the back of my head of something I wanted to get into. Starbucks, Jumia, Tesla, Disney, Nike, fuel cell, plug power. I just got into it and just wanted to just share my experience with the people.
Yo, what's going on? It's your boy, Brother DJ, coming to you live on this nice, cool little Friday evening. Hope everybody's doing well out there. Hope everybody's being safe, having a good time. Shout out to the whole Squadcast TV movement. Shout out to the whole Junkyard Gang movement. Shout out to Midwest Matthew. Shout out and much appreciation to all the subscribers that we got. I definitely seen that we gained a few more followers, so I definitely appreciate that. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and all the other good stuff. Make sure you leave a comment as well. We definitely appreciate everything that you guys, say to us, engage with us, and things of that nature. So much appreciation to you guys. But we always know why we're here. We're here to talk about the money. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm not gonna get into nothing heavy. Just gonna give you a few updates on some things about some stocks that I kind of been talking about on the regular, let you know where they're at, and we're just going to go ahead and go from there. I'm going to run down the portfolio like normal, same one that we missed, from the jump. All right. Today overall for this particular portfolio, I mean, it was a good day. We had some kind of great days this week. It's been some green days, so I'm definitely appreciative of that. You guys should be appreciative too, because there's some green days. We definitely, was able to see the stock prices go up on whatever particular investments that you have, whatever particular companies that you choose to put your money into. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and run through it. Nothing really much changed. I'm still rocking with Cisco, Ford, Twitter, Fuel Cell, Progenity, Tesla, Apple, Nike, Microsoft, Oracle, CrowdStrike Holdings, Morgan Stanley, Starbucks, Coinbase, and Coca-Cola. But the focus is going to be on Tesla real quick. All right, because when I talk to you guys about Tesla was definitely under $1,000. It was in the 950s. Then it got under 9. Then it got to like 8 something. And I was letting you guys know that those are great opportunities to go ahead and solidify a position or to continue to build a position in that particular play. With that being said, Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, didn't have really a bad day, just down a little bit overall. Not much really going on after hours trading. But in this particular play, I'm still up over 90% because my average cost per share is $527.88. But Tesla right now, the current stock price is $1,011.15. Now, when I talked to you guys when it was at 950, 900, 850, I mean, as you can see, it shot up $150. I tried to tell you guys to go ahead, put this on your watch list, or go ahead and get you some fractional share at the very least, because I know everybody doesn't have $800, $900,000, $1,200, $1,500 to be putting into one particular stock, one particular company. But I definitely said it's definitely worth getting a fractional share. And if you listened, at the stock price that we're talking about, you definitely made money. All right, you definitely made money. Shout out Tesla. Tesla's been actually having a great week. I continue to hope that they continue to have future great weeks, good months, good quarters and things of that nature. Along with all the other investments that we're in, but just specifically talking about Tesla because They're one of the big boys. They're one of the heavyweights out here with the Apples and the Microsofts and the Nikes and stuff like that. They're definitely one of the leaders in the EV sector as well. But overall, like I've always said, Tesla is more than just a car company. They definitely have their hands on a lot of different things. Shout out Elon Musk. I hope that this is, a great projection on how the stock's going to continue to grow and continue to go back to where it was, because not too long ago we had a 52-week high over $1,200. So it's already over 1,000. So definitely see that trending in the right way. Next on my list is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL. Current stock price right now is $175. Currently up in this particular play over 39%, because my average cost per share is $125.23. Um, Apple has been doing good this week. A lot of green days. Right now, today they were up in the stock market, just a little bit, and definitely was doing their thing a little bit in after hours trading. But, with Apple being at 175, they're definitely going to be approaching their 52-week high of 182.94. When I was talking to you guys about Apple, I was definitely letting you guys know it's definitely something to put in a watch list, definitely something to build a position in and try to solidify a better position in that while the stock prices were getting beat the hell up. Now, with it being at almost back to normal at 175, like I said, it's not too far from the 52-week high. So we got about $7, $8 more to go for it to hit the 52-week high. But those who been rocking with Apple, those who bought more Apple, those who just had got into Apple when we talked about it, salute to you guys, because you definitely made some money for sure. And definitely going to continue to grow with Apple, because Apple, once again, they're heavyweight, they're big boy, and they got their hands in a lot of different things too. Apple, with it being at 175, if anybody is new to this channel, new to the Wolf on Wall Street, new to what I'm doing here, I highly suggest go back and watch some of the older videos. I talk about Apple, I talk about Nike, I talk about Ford, I talk about a lot of stocks, but Apple's been one of my mainstays in my portfolio. It's something that I'm definitely going to hold and continue to hold. It's not something that I see myself getting rid of, because I see the future of Apple. I see the growth in Apple, and the stock price is definitely worth more than the 175 that it is right now. And I hope that it continues to go up. And also Apple gives a little dividend. It's not a big dividend, but it's a little dividend, a little under, well, just about 0.5%. But good stable company, give you a dividend. You're trying to look for stability in the market. Apple's the way to go. Let's talk about Nike. Ticker symbol NKE. Current stock price right now is 133.70. They're up today, just a little over 1%. Didn't really make any big noise after hours trading. But in this particular play, I'm up just a little over 6%. I got a dividend coming pending on April 1st. It's going to hit my account. Shout out Nike for the dividend. They give a dividend yield of 0.85%. But Nike's current stock price right now, like I said, is 133.70. And when I talked about Nike, I said that Nike is one of those companies where it's not going to go below 120, and it's not going to get as high as like 130, 135 in these particular times, as we're dealing with inflation, the war in Ukraine, the shortages still, and a lot of different factors that's hitting a lot of different sectors in the economy, that's driving the stock prices on some of these companies to go down. But Nike is one of those stable companies that I've always believed in, and it's been proven, because if you look at their performance, just a week ago, they were up 3%. A month ago, they were down 3%. And I always said that Nike during these particular times are going to be more of the stable ones. they're not going to go not the stock price isn't going to go up super high, but it's not going to drop super low as all these other companies have been. And Nike has definitely proven that. With them being at 133.70, their 52-week high was 179.10. So there's definitely some room to grow there for it to be able to hit the 52-week high. I definitely think it will. I'm not necessarily saying within the next couple of days, but after this time goes on, obviously as time goes on, I believe Nike with this reputation as being a great company will definitely continue to thrive in this crazy environment right now. You know, Nike's been doing big things. Definitely in the sports world, a lot of athletes that endorse the brand, and Nike's got a lot of different things going on. And last but not least, I want to talk about something that I added on my watch list that I think all you guys probably should add on your watch list. It's called ChargePoint, ticker symbol CHPT. Current stock price right now is $18.50. If you guys don't know what ChargePoint is, I'm just giving you the brief definition of what Robinhood says. ChargePoint Holdings Incorporated operates as an electric vehicle charging network provider. It designs, develops, and markets network electric vehicle charging systems, system infrastructure, and cloud service. So basically, long story short, they develop the technology to be able to charge the electric vehicles. All right. And with obviously gas being as super high as it is, and with you got hybrids out here, you got certain some companies that just solely do EVs. Having places to charge them it's definitely something that's going to be worth having and looking into. Definitely something that's going to continue to grow as more and more and more electric vehicles are being produced, manufactured, driven, and all the other good stuff. And ChargePoint with the current stock price being right now at 18.50. I've seen it as low as $11. I've seen it as high as about $36. So it's at the halfway point of this 52-week high of 36.86. But if you're gonna get into ChargePoint, I would look at getting a ChargePoint if it drops, around the 15 to maybe 12 range. If it does that, I would definitely add this on the watch list. We're talking about a market cap of over 6 billion, which is great. They opened today at 18.59, so they just dropped a little bit. They're down just 1.5% on the market today. They didn't really make any noise in after hour trading, but like I said, this is something to add to your watch list. It's definitely something that's been talked about and kind of had my attention for a while, but I just kind of let it slip by the wayside and didn't really bring it up. But I'm definitely sharing this information with you guys today, and I hope you guys, out of all the stocks, you definitely put this one on your watch list outside of the big boys that we talked about. So with that being said, family, I definitely appreciate you guys' time. You guys be safe out there. Have a blessed day. Peace.